Hello, I'm Jonasz Rewiński and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air, we've got you covered. Overnight, a Russian drone barrage injured one person and damaged 5 homes in the Kiev region, according to regional authorities. There was reportedly no damage to critical infrastructure in the region surrounding the capital. Ukrainian air defense units destroyed nearly 20 drones that were heading towards Kiev itself. Overall, during the attack, over the central, northern and southern regions of Ukraine, the Air Force shot down 53 out of 56 Russian drones, it said in a statement. Meanwhile, rescue operations are continuing in Kharkiv, where a Russian guided bomb attack on a multi-story apartment building yesterday killed 1 and injured 42 people. Ukrainian forces also reportedly advanced in Kursk's Glushovsky district. The Institute for the Study of War, monitoring the biggest incursion into Russia since World War II, cited a Russian military blogger's report that Ukrainian forces advanced towards the southeastern outskirts of Volfino. Also, several Russian regiments are engaging in defensive combat in Kursk, where Russia reportedly launched a counterattack last week. On the front line, Ukrainian forces from the 3rd Assault Brigade carried out a highly effective attack on Russian positions in the Kharkiv region. Using drones to adjust fire, they successfully targeted and eliminated a group of Russian troops. Also, a Ukrainian soldier operating in the northern Kharkiv region stated that the tempo of Russian glide bomb strikes has continued to decrease over the past 2 weeks. Further south, over the past week, the Russian army has not made significant progress towards Pokrovsk. A total of 173 combat clashes have occurred on the battlefield in the Donetsk sector over the past day, with most of the Russian attacks concentrated on the Pokrovsk and Kurakhove fronts. Now, let's go to recent footage from the front lines where the 46th Airmobile Brigade is operating. In the video, you'll be able to see the repulsion of a large Russian contingent with many military vehicles. Soldiers from the 46th destroyed 9 BMPs, 2 tanks and 2 armored personnel carriers, and 2 motorcycles, because Russia doesn't really care for the health of its troops and just sends them in unarmored vehicles. I mean, that's Russia to you. Another 11 BMPs were damaged, and all of this during just one assault. We've shown you a lot of videos of destroyed or damaged equipment on the battlefield. Many of these machines stay in fields and forests or on roads for years. But what if there is a chance to repair such equipment and use it again? Let's take a look at how soldiers from the Ukrainian Belarusian 225th Separate Assault Battalion are evacuating damaged equipment from the front lines. The first Russian tank, the one with a cage on top, was quite interesting. If it's impossible to repair it, I guess you can use it to keep rabbits, something like that. Anyway, to close out today's episode, we'd like to show you footage of the 103rd Separate Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Let us see how soldiers from this brigade destroy Russian equipment near the village of Snagos in the Russian Kursk region. Enjoy! And with this, we conclude this episode of Military Mind. Please stay with us here on TVP World for more latest news and updates.